Hello student, today we are going to discuss here some relevant problem about electromagnetic induction. So in this problem is asked in JEE Advanced 2023. So in this problem, a rectangular loop and this loop is moving in such a way, and this is the a wire, very long wire, and 10 ampere current is flowing in it, and we have to find the velocity of the loop when at that instant when the loop is 4 centimeter distance, having 4 centimeter distance, vertical distance, and at that instant the current flowing in the loop is 10 microampere. So this is scenario is this, the loop is moving in such a way. The loop is here, the loop and its initial condition, loop is here at, and after some instant this loop start from here, suppose start from here, and after some instant this loop moves here. So we have to find out the velocity at that instant when this distance is 4 centimeter. So we take, this is B, this is length L, and this distance is R, let. So we suppose for integration purpose we take a strip here, and ds is the thickness of the strip, and this height, this is h height. So we have to write here the magnetic flux through the loop. So magnetic flux by the loop, that should, it is 2, it is 1. So magnetic flux by 2 would be magnetic field by 1 and area by 2. This is loop 2, this is 1. So flux through would be B1, magnetic field by the wire. We know for the infinite long straight wire, magnetic field will be mu naught upon 2 pi into I upon R. This would be R plus H. We have to find the magnetic field here, then we integrate. So this becomes R plus H. Area would be, this is integral of B1 d phi dA2, we can write here. So area would be B into dH. So limit would be 0 to L. This length is L. For this whole length, we have to finding the flux. So limit would be 0 to L. So flux we have to calculate here, mu naught upon 2 pi and I and B. This is constant, and integration of 1 plus 1 upon R plus H would be natural log of R plus H, and limit L comma L, upper limit is L, lower limit is 0. So mu naught 2 pi IB natural log R plus L upon R. So this is the flux. Now we find the change of flux, rate of change of flux, d phi over dt. So differentiate this in the term of dt. This becomes mu naught 2 pi I B, and natural log differentiation log x is differentiation is 1 by x. So this becomes R upon R plus L, and differentiation of R plus L plus by R, this becomes 1 plus R by L. Differentiation of 1 is 0, or this becomes R L upon R square, 1 by R, R minus 1 minus 2, and this becomes dr over dt. So we write here d phi over dt, that is induced EMF minus d phi over dt, E is equal to IR. So current at that stand when the distance is R is equal to 4 centimeter, the current is flowing in the loop is 10 microampere, 10 raised to power minus 6 into resistance is 0.1, and put the value here, mu naught 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 6, current is 10, B is 2, R is 4, and L is, this is minus, this is also minus, so R, L is 10, 2, 4, L is 4, dr over dt, dr over dt becomes V by 2, dr over dt is the vertical velocity, so vertical component is V by 2, so this becomes V by 2, dr over dt becomes V by 2, and here this is 2 pi, r plus l becomes 8, r square 4 square, 4 square 4 4 cancel, 2 2 cancel, 8 2, this becomes 4 pi 2, pi pi cancel, and 2 2 4 4, and this becomes 10 raised to power 6, 10 raised to power 6 and 10 raised to power 6 cancel, 10 raised to power 6, this is 10 raised to power 6 not, this is 10 raised to power minus 7, 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7, so this whole term is cancelled, so V becomes 4 meter per second. Because of we change the centimeter in meter, so upper and lower both the centimeter cut and velocity find in meter per second. So this is the solution for this problem. Next we have to discuss here finding the mutual inductance in different scenario. Mutual inductance in different scenario. So we let consider the case here, that is if a current conducting coil is here, I1 current is flowing here, I2 current is flowing here, this is the distance x from here, and the radius of this loop is A and this loop is B, and the condition is given A is greater than, very greater than B. So finding the, this is, suppose this is 1, this is 2, we have to find the flux through 1. So flux through 1 would be, this is number of turn in, this is I2, this is I1, number of turn N2, this is number of turn N1. So we have to find the mutual inductance for the coil. Remember, when the asking the mutual inductance, so take flux always in small coil. Flux right for small coil always. So flux from small coil will be, this is small coil. So actually the given condition is A is very greater than B. So B is very small in size. So in comparison to A, whole ring, whole circular loop, we assume is a point here. We assume a point here. So we know the magnetic field do on a ring, a loop, on its axial distance, axis on its axial distance. We know the formula here, so apply here. So phi1 would be Bn1 B2 A1. This is the flux. So this we written as flux through the flux through the 1. So mutual inductance in second. So current would be I2, Mi2. This we written as Mi2. This would be N1, N2, and magnetic field would be, this current is B2, The current is I2. So current is I2. So this is mu naught by 2. This becomes I2 upon into a square upon x square plus a square raised to power 3 by 2. This is formula. And A1, A is the pi b square area of this loop. So I cancel. So this gives the result for mutual inductance. Similarly, we have to find the mutual inductance in this if the here the length is L, length is L, length is L, length is L, and the radius here given, the radius is R, and L is very greater than R, then mutual inductance. Suppose this is first, this is second, mutual inductance flux through first would be area of magnetic field of second, area of first. So flux by this, we know the wire of finite length. So flux by the wire, this height and subtended angle triangle. So this triangle would be 45, this triangle also 45, or this length is L by 2. So flux would be mu naught upon 4 pi into I. Suppose here I1, I2 current is flowing here, in here I1. So we write here I am flux in I1, so current is I2. So mu naught upon 4 pi I2 2 sin 45. Sin theta plus sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta sin 45 upon L by 2, and area of the circle, area of the loop, this is pi r square or small r capital R. This is the mutual inductance. So we also here assume this loop is pointed here, very small pointed here. So we know the magnetic field through a wire placed perpendicular. So the formula is mu naught upon 4 pi sin theta plus sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 to I upon L. L is the L or arc sec R. R is the perpendicular distance. So we have another problem. In this problem we have given two coils and one coil is short. This question is asked in IIT Advanced in 2026 this year. So we have to find the circuit is given as this is the this coil is short here. The number of turns of here 2n, length is d by 2 and area is s by 2. And another coil, this is capacitor, this is source, voltage source, capacitor C, number of turns n, length d, area s. Here we have to find the resonant frequency, that is 1 by root L effective into C. This is the resonant frequency we have to find here. So we say this is first coil, this is second coil, I current is flowing I1, current is flowing I1, current is flowing I2. So we write here the mutual inductance for first coil, this would be mu naught n square into volume. Volume will be D into S. So this becomes L2. L2 would be mu square and 2n whole square into d by 2. This is volume into S by 2. This becomes also L1. And 2 and 4n square and 2 and 2 and becomes 4. So this becomes also equal to L1. So let's say this is L. So mutual self inductance for both coil is same. So we write here flux through second small coil. Flux through second. Flux always write for small coil. So we know this would be mu naught 2n flux through second. So this would be n square by n square ds n square ds by 2. So this becomes L by 2. This is I2 flux through second. This is not I2, this is I1. We have to magnetic field for first. This is I1. So I am I1 and I1. This becomes L by 2 I1. So M becomes L by 2. So voltage, writing voltage here. So for second coil this is short, so voltage here becomes 0. So L inductance of second coil, this becomes di2 by dt, and mutual inductance for first coil, this is di1 by dt, becomes 0. So second, for second, this becomes L di1 by dt plus M di2 by dt. So di2 value put here, so this becomes minus M square by L di1 by dt. This would be common, this becomes 0. Put the value here, M is equal to L by 2, this becomes 3L by 4. This becomes 3L by 4. di1 by dt is equal to V, not 0. This is potential. So this would be L effective. L effective into this. So we know resonant frequency will be, this is L effective. Resonant frequency will be under root 3 LC and L effective. This is the resonant frequency. Next question. In this question, a disk is given and a Q charge is uniformly distributed on whole area. Or disk is placed on a horizontal frictionless surface, horizontal plane. So this is the scenario here. In this, Q charge is spread over here and a magnetic field is given, V is equal to kxt square. So magnetic field is variable to x and t. So here the magnetic field is increasing. Suppose it is acting in downward direction. So in this direction, so current would be in this direction. To induce electric field would be opposite direction, because of it opposes the increasing magnetic field. So a increasing magnetic field would be the outside. So for being the induced electric field by the induced magnetic field outside, so induced current would be anti-clockwise direction. So the force dF would be in such a way. Or small dq charge, the force would be like as. This is a non-conservative in nature because of the charge traversing in a closed loop. The work is not equal to 0. If charge is moved from here to here, the work is continuously done by the induced electric field to moving the charge from here to here, while the electrostatic work from here to here is 0. But in non-conservative induced electric field, the work is continuously done. So this is the depend on the path. This is the path variable, and electrostatic field is state variable. This is depend on the initial and final state. So all conservative work, that is that is gravitational work by the gravitational force, spring force, and electrostatic force, all are the conservative in nature, and initial and final stage is here in equilibrium, or no energy is conserved here, no heat dissipate here. Here energy induced is non-conservative in nature. This is path variable, depend on path, different path, different work, different path, different work, different path, different work in non-conservative work. So no sense to say here the EMF produced for single be not meaningless. The concept for the potential here meaningless. So, and the state of thermodynamic equilibrium not present here for induced electric field. Heat dissipation is there because of it change, alter the energy, it change the temperature and entropy of the system. We know in vacuum electromagnetic wave travels. Why? Because of production induced electric field changes in induced magnetic field, and magnetic field changes in induced electric field. This is why, because of for production of induced electric field, there is no necessity to presence of charge or conductor. In vacuum there is no charge or material in vacuum, while the induced electric field is produced there, produced there in vacuum, because of if rate of change of magnetic field is there, electric field induces, no physical presence of charge is needed here for the production of induced electric field. This is the concept, and inside the radius, this is the magnetic field region. Inside the magnetic field region, this is proportional to R, and outside the region it is inversely proportional to R. This is form closed loop, this like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and outside the region no magnetic field, but induced electric field present in circular loops, and the direction of this tangential direction. They loops in sub direction. So here the problem, they we have to find here, the question says when the distance is x, then we have switch on the magnetic field. When this distance is from center, that is r, we have switch on the magnetic field. So we take a radius small r here, and this is the thickness strip, this is dr, and this is the radius r, this is dr, this is x. So we know flux is equal to integral of b dA. So dA will be 2 pi r dr, and magnetic field given kxt square, so becomes krt square, integral 0 to x, 0 to x moment. When the radius is x, the magnetic field is switch on. So the on the integration kt square 2 pi, this becomes r square r cube x cube by 3. This is the flux. So we have to calculate change in flux. This is E into dl vector, integration 0 to x, and this becomes d phi over dt. So differentiate this, d phi over dt becomes 2 pi x cube by 3 into 2t. So E into dl, electric field would be into dl, 2 pi dl becomes 2 pi x. So this would be 2 pi x cube by 3. This becomes 4. This becomes 2t. This becomes pi cancel out. This becomes 3. 2 pi 2 to 4, and this becomes 3. So 2 2. This becomes 2. This becomes 2x square by 3. 2x square by 3t. 2x square by 3t. 2 pi cancel, 2x square by 3t. This is electric field. So we have to calculate here torque. Torque will be 0 to r, distance is x, or force would be E dot dq. This is E by 3, dq will be q upon, this would be q upon pi r square, total area, into 2 pi x dx. Pi cancel out, and integrate this term. So this becomes tau is equal to 0 to r 2 to 4 and k. We have left here k. So here k is also k and k and k. So this becomes 4kq. 4kq x cube x4 x4 upon 3 r square into dx. So integrate this term, 4kq by 3 common, 4kq 4kq by 3r square, and differentiation of x4 or integration of x4, x raised to power 5/5 to r raised to power 5/5. So putting the value kq, 4kq is 5 SI unit. This is given. R is equal to 1. R is equal to 1 meter, and 3r square 1 multiplied by 5, and time. This is the time. This is the time. Time is 15 seconds. 5333. This becomes 5 Newton meter. This is the torque. So I hope this session would be very beneficial for the advanced aspirant, and I hope you better understand this phenomena by these examples. So thanks for watching us video. Thank you.